Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to design and assemble a manual pipe cutter. See, this is the tool of manual pipe cutter. We will design each and every part and assemble at the end. So let's see how to do in Solidworks. It is very useful tool in our daily day-to-day life. Now here we will sketch our first part of pipe cutter, screw rod. So here choose right plane, sketch, and let's start from, select a line and start from origin point. Up to here. First we will assign the dimension for this line. Keep 9 mm. Five mm, and this distance keep 11 mm. Select 8 mm, mm, and this distance keep 5 mm. Okay, and do one thing, select this line and make relation collinear. Okay, now let's assign the distance from here to origin point. (160 mm). Okay, now here select center arc and draw one center arc from this line to just parallel to this. Choose diameter, keep radius 6 mm. Okay, select trim entity and trim this inside portion. Okay, make sure this. Okay, now select a line, or better select first center point arc and create one more arc from here, from this point up to parallel. Now let's extend this line. Up to this arc, exit. Now let's assign this 11 mm. Okay, now choose trim entities and trim this inside parts. Keep radius 20 mm. Okay, now select this line, origin point, and this line. Coincident. Now it is in same line. Now let's assign the distance from here to this top point, 260 mm. Now this is the length of our screw. Now our screw is fully defined. Okay, now select revolve boss base and select this outer line as a axis. Choose OK. Go to appearance, steel, and we will assign the material satin finish stainless steel. Now see, this is quite better. Now choose front plane, sketch, normal, and here I want to create a hole. Keep the diameter 12 mm. Okay, and extrude it. Choose mid plane, and or you even just cut through all. Delete this extruded, by mistake we just extruded. Select this sketch, extruded cut, choose mid plane. Okay, now see the hole is created throughout. Now here we want to create thread, so select this face, sketch, select this outer circle, convert it, and choose here helix and spiral. Choose pitch and revolution constant, and number of pitch keep 4, reverse direction, and revolution 29 mm. 29 revolutions, that's enough. 0 degree. Okay, now select right plane, sketch. Now here we will create our profile, so choose a line and start from this end point and connect with this point. Select this center point to this center point, exit. Select this center point horizontal. Now it is concentric. Now let's assign the distance 2.25 mm and the height 1.33 mm, and keep the angle 30 degree. Okay, now our profile is fully defined, so just exit and here select swift cut. See, the profile is selected, just select the path. It is now calculated, it's already calculated. Okay, it will take few seconds for calculation, so keep patient. Now see, so our screw is ready. This is our screw for pipe cutter. We want to make some dome shape here, so just select insert, feature, and select dome. Dome face. Okay, if you selected, choose elliptical or anything, it's up to you. Okay, sometime it takes time because of calculation. Now see, our screw rod is ready. So this is the main rod for pipe cutter. So just save this part, go to desktop, create a folder, pipe cutter, and save this first part, screw jack, or you can save the name screw handle. Save. Okay, so let's move for the next part. Now here we will sketch second part, body for pipe cutting tool. So select front plane, sketch, select center line, draw a vertical center line, just pass through origin and the same as horizontal center line. Now select center point arc and draw a one arc up to here. Again select and draw one more arc cancel. Now select circle and draw one circle and select for construction. Okay. Now let's assign the dimension. (68 mm). This radius keep outer side 116 by 2 and inside radius 24 mm. Okay. Now select circle and draw two circles here with this line and keep the distance 22 mm. And keep the diameter 8 mm both circles. Okay. Now select circle and here draw a circle, keep the diameter 30 mm and the distance from this line keep 32 mm. Okay. Now select this point and this circle, make relation coincide. Little take back. Select a line. And directly connect with this circle and make the relation between these two lines tangent, and this line to this circle also tangent relation. Okay. Choose trim entity and trim this inside circle. Okay. Select line draw a vertical line and connect with up to here. Choose the smart dimension and 106 mm, this height 38 mm and 74 mm. Okay, this actually by default. Okay. Now here also we will choose make relation tangent, delete. I think this already tangent. So now our geometry is fully defined. So select extruded boss and choose here mid plane and keep the distance 32 mm. Okay, that's it. Now again choose front plane, sketch, normal, and select center point arc and select this circle center point. Up to here, assign the diameter, radius 56 point by 2 mm, select line, and up to this point. Okay, so now this is the closed loop. Now we want to cut it. Extruded boss, choose here mid plane, and center distance keep only 10 mm. We want to cut 10 mm from mid side, choose OK. Now see, it is cut out from mid portion. Now select this face, sketch, select center point arc up to OK. Now make closed loop, so connect. OK. Make sure this diameter 16 mm. OK. And this point, and this point should be vertical. Cancel those relations because this already we defined 16 mm, so no need. Okay, now select extruded boss and select this face and this face and extrude up to next the full portion. Okay, now it is cut. Again select the same face, sketch, normal. First I will sketch a circle, draw a center line, connect two lines, just mirror this line, select this line and mirror about center line. Now define the gap between these two lines, keep 18 mm. Okay, and diameter 32 mm. Okay, now our geometry is fully defined, so select this outer line, this all three outer lines, and just convert it because we want to cut this mid size only, not all. Select extruded cut and here select this option and this option and cut up to 32 mm downward direction. Okay, now you can see it here. Now select this face, sketch, select corner rectangle and draw a rectangle. Now let's keep the distance 6 mm from corner edge and the height keep cancel it. Height we will define from top line. 136 mm. Okay. Now select extruded cut and here choose up to surface. Select this as a surface. Okay. Now choose fillet. Keep 3 mm and select 3 edges and select this. Okay. Try to mirror this cutout, so choose front and here choose cutout, this cutout and fillet. Select OK. I think something went wrong. This fillet delete. Geometry pattern, or do one thing, just delete this mirror and select this face also and repeat the same procedure. Keep the distance from here 6 mm and the distance from bottom to top line 136 mm. Okay, and select extruded cut and here choose up to surface. Select this as a surface and this fillet just edit. This is before, so create new fillet 3 mm. Okay, that's it. Now select this face, sketch, normal, and here create one circle and keep the diameter 22 mm. Okay, and just exit from the sketch. Now we will try to insert some component. Now here select part. We will insert some component and select our first part number 1 screw jack. This is we created in first part. Select open. Now see the window will come here, so select all axis, plane, everything, and here make sure locate part with move and copy feature selected. See, if you comes here, it already fixed in the center with this circle. Select OK. Now here we will assign some more relation to finish our geometry, because we want to create thread inside just same like this thread. So what we will do, we will add some relation. Select this back surface and select this face. Make relation coincident. Select here add. It will take few seconds. My computer nowadays are slow. Now see here, see it's fixed here. Select OK. Now how to create thread here with the help of this one thread? Just wait, the process is still going on. Okay, now just do one thing, just go to insert feature and here one option will come, combine. Select combine and here select subtract. We want to subtract this part, so select first main body. This is our main body. and this body to combine means subtract, select this body. Okay, now select OK. Now you can see, just select here, uncheck all the planes. Now see, we created thread inside with the help of our part 1. So this is the same thread what we created in our part 1. This circle, just hide it. Okay, so now our part is completed. We will assign, select the part. We will assign raw material first. So go to iron. This is iron body. We will assign cast iron. Okay, now select all the body, all the parts, and we will assign some color, solid color. We will choose some paint, glows red. Or it looks very dark. Choose the body. Okay, no, it's looking very dark, so first do one thing, we will change the material, steel, and choose cast carbon steel. In cast carbon steel, try powder paint, how it looks. Candy apple red. Select all the part. It's again select all the parts. Okay, this is quite better and good looking color. So this is the shiny color. It is the body for our pipe cutting material. Now save this part 2, body. Let's move for the next part. Now here we will make the third part, cutting blade. So choose front plane, select center line, exit. Now choose a line, exit. Now first select this 3 line and make relation symmetric. Okay, now let's assign the dimension. 4 mm. Keep 10 mm, and this two distance 8 mm. Select OK. Now select this line and this line, make relation equal. Now define the distance from here to origin point, 19 mm, and the distance from 10 mm. Okay, Select this line and this line, make one more relation, collinear. Okay. Now see, our geometry is fully defined. So here select revolve boss base and select this line as a axis. Okay. Now this is our cutting blade. Just assign some metal finish color so it looks. We will assign some metal finish. Go to steel, polished steel. Select chrome plating. So this is our finishing, chrome finish. Now save as part number 3, cutting blade. Now here we will sketch the next part, blade support. Choose front plane, sketch. First make center line, horizontal and vertical center line. Now choose circle, or we will select better center point arc. Let's start from this point up to here. Okay. Choose a line. Go back again, go to the point or cancel it and select here 3-point arc and connect with these 2 points. Exit. Let's assign some outer dimension. Keep diameter 26 mm and distance from here to this point keep 48 mm and the distance from this line 24 mm and this radius keep 13 mm. Okay. Now the defined distance from this point 45 mm. Okay. Let's make this radius also. Make radius 14 mm. Okay. Select these 2 arc and make relation tangent. Okay. Now it is fully defined. Select center line. Draw a vertical line and draw 2 circles here and make relation equal. Now let's make the distance 9 mm and diameter 8 mm and the distance between 2 circles keep 18 mm and distance from here 10 mm. Again choose circle and draw one more circle here. Keep diameter 4 mm and the distance from 6 mm and one side keep 4 mm. Now our geometry is fully defined. Okay. and select extruded boss. Choose mid plane and thickness keep 32 mm. OK. Again choose right plane, sketch, normal. Now this time select corner rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Select this outer line and this line and make one relation collinear. OK. Now define the distance 15 mm from origin point. OK. Now let's extrude cut. Choose mid plane and keep only 10 mm because we want to create some 10 mm grooves in between in mid size. Now see. Now select this back surface, normal, and choose hole wizard. We want to create a hole here, tap straight. We want to create tap actually. Metric tapped hole, and here select 8 by 1 and here up to next. Go to position, select origin point. Select OK. Now this tapped hole created. So just select here, go to option, detailing, and select here shaded cosmetic thread. OK. Now see the thread, cosmetic thread we can see it here. Now select the back surface, sketch, and create one hole here. So draw a one hole from origin point. Keep the diameter 8.5 mm. OK. And cut up to next. Choose here up to next, not through all. See, we want to cut only next wall. OK. Now select the top face, sketch, normal, and here also we want to create one hole. Keep the diameter 18 mm and the depth of hole also we will keep 18 mm. Select OK. See, so this is our blade supporting piece is ready. We will assign some metal finish. Brushed steel. Now save this part. Blade support. Okay, so let's move for the next part. Now here we will create a pin for blade support. So choose front plane and create a 4 dia circle. OK, and let's extrude it. Keep mid plane and the length select 32 mm. OK, and choose chamfer. 1 mm is too big. 0.2 mm both the side. OK, and let's make some color. Sand blasted steel, but assign some color. OK. Now save as part number 5 pin. let's move for the next part. Now here we will make handle screw, a handle for a screw. So choose front plane and draw a circle with 12 mm dia, and let's extrude it, and extrude up to, choose mid plane, 150 mm, or make little less, 120 mm. Okay. Now select right plane, sketch, draw first center line from midpoint. Now select circle and draw one circle and keep this point as a axis, just coincide with this corner point, and let's keep the dia 22 also bigger. Keep 18 mm. Okay. Select a line and connect from this point to this point and up to this point. Exit. Choose trim entities and trim this outer face. Okay. Now just select revolve boss base. This axis selected. Okay. Now see. Try to mirror if it is possible to mirror, then okay. Choose front plane and select this face, this cutout. Okay, it's mirrored. Okay, it's much better. Now select satin finish stainless steel. Now you can see save as screw handle. Okay. Let's move for the next part. Now the last part is support plate. Choose top plane, sketch, select line and start from origin point. Exit. (34 mm), 16 mm, 6 by 6 mm. Okay. Now let's extrude it up to 36 mm. Okay. Now select this wall, sketch. First draw a center line. Draw a vertical line. Now draw two circles on this line. Okay. Now select both the circle and make relation equal. Now assign the diameter 8 mm. The distance from upper line 9 mm and the distance between both the circles 18 mm. And this line from outside keep 12 mm. Now our geometry is fully defined, so just select extruded cut. Okay. Now select the body and assign the material, or assign some other material like satin finish chrome. Even the same material is no problem. Satin finish stainless steel. Now save as. Support plate. Now here let's start the assembly of pipe cutter. This is the manual pipe cutter actually. Now here we will start the assembly of manual pipe cutting tool. Choose new assembly. Okay. Now this is our assembly window. Just browse the first part. And here first bring body. Change the window white plane. Now our body is fixed. By default it always fixed. Now choose screw handle. Now just take it near. Now okay, now here we will assign some. Select this wall inside, choose mat and select mechanical mat. Clear. Select screw distance or revolution 4 mm. Now first select this screw wall and select inside wall. Now see, make 4 mm. Okay. Okay. Now here screw relation created. Take it up little, so okay. Now let's insert the next component, blade support. Okay. Now we will make one relation. Select this inside hole mat and this round face concentric. Okay. Take it down. Now select the bottom face of screw and the bottom face of this support coincident. Okay. Now here one more relation. Select this outer face and this face. Make parallel relation. Okay. Now just move it. See, it is rotating. Browse the next part, screw handle. Make relation mat. This handle and this hole coincident. Okay. Now select the front plane of this handle and the same as choose front plane of screw, and both we will coincide. Choose mat. Now it is coincident this face. Okay. Okay. Now the handle is fixed with center part of this screw. Now you can see it is rotating. If you make up and down, this is very beautiful relation. Okay. Now we will insert our next component, cutting blade. Okay. Now just rotate the blade first. Okay. Select mat. Go to advanced mat and choose width. Select blade first this side and the back side. and this body in one side and this another side. Now blade in center position, select OK, choose standard mat, select this hole and this hole. OK. Now see, the blade is fixed with its place. Insert one more blade and just press Ctrl and select this and create one more blade. We want two blades. Just try to make reverse. OK. OK. Now go to mat, advanced mat, choose width. First we will assign this one blade. OK. Now select this inside face. OK. Now the same relation for this blade also. Choose width. Select both the end of faces. Select this face and this face. OK. Now go to standard mat and select this hole and this hole. Now it is fixed here. OK. Now this blade and this hole. OK. Now you can see the all three blades fix in their places. Later we will fix it here, screw, nut, bolt, everything. Now see, let's insert the next component. Choose pin and select this pin, mat, this hole. OK. Just select this face and this face. Coincident. Now the pin also fixed here. OK. Let's move for the next part. Now the last part is support plate. OK. First try to rotate this part. It should be like this. OK. Now let's make some relation. Select this face, back surface, and this face. Coincident. Now select this face and this face. OK. Now see, it is rotating this way. Select this hole and this hole. Coincident. Now it is fixed here. Now just select Control key and copy this part. Now try to rotate. Come to this position and we will adjust according to this. OK. First select this face, mat, and this face. OK. Now select this face and inside. OK. And now here we will select this hole and this hole. OK. Now our manual pipe cutter is almost ready. Now you can see. Now we will assign some distance. choose here distance, select this face and this face, keep 1 mm, the maximum distance keep 30 mm and minimum 1 mm, select OK. OK, let's try. This is the 30 mm, so we want more than this, and this is 1 mm. Again go to limit, distance limit, edit, and make 50 mm. OK. OK, now let's go down. OK, this is the maximum, now not going beyond, and this is minimum. So this is our relation created. OK, now first we will save our assembly. Pipe cutting tool assembly. Now here we will put some screw. Go to toolbox and select here NC metric. Inside choose bolt and screw. And first we will choose machine screw. Let's select pan cross head. Drag it here. Choose M8, 35 length. And we can put it thread also, but we will keep plain. OK. OK. Now just rotate this. OK. Now select mat, select this hole and this bolt, coincident relation. Now select the head, back surface and this wall. OK. Now with the help of this one we will put 2 screw here. So choose here one option, copy with mat, select bolt, and here you have to choose concentric relation. So select this hole and face, select this face. Now see. OK. Again choose this hole and for face select this face. OK. OK. Now this is very important relation, copy mat. Now again go to toolbox, NC metric, bolts and screw, and this time select hexagon head, and we will bring this time formed hexagon screw. Choose M8 and length select 55 was better, but let's make 50. This actually 32 and this 6 12. So total become 48, and so keep little more. Make 60, because actually we want 55 mm option, but we don't have, so or cancel this, select another, let's select this bolt. .55 mm length, and no need thread. OK. select OK. Now select this hole, met and the bolt, OK. Select back head and this face, OK. Choose copy with met, select bolt, select the hole and select this face, OK, OK. Now see here copied. Now again go to NC metric and choose nut, hexagon nut, and we will select this nut. We will select M8, double chamfer simplified, but this thickness is very less, so cancel it, and we will go for some more thicker. We will choose this style 1, OK. M8 double chamfer simplified, OK. Just drag it there. Now select this bolt, met, choose the hole, OK. Now select the back face of nut and this body, OK. Now it is fixed here. Now just make copy with met, bolt, select this bolt and select this face. See, it is copied, OK. So now our tool is ready. This is the manual cutting tool, pipe cutting holder, pipe cutting tool. It is very, now you can see, just put it manually, drag and drop and cut it the pipe. Now just save this part. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and like our videos, and subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.